Each package comes with product, mixing instructions, a safety data sheet, and labels for a 5-gallon pail. The 5-gallon pail is not included, but can be purchased online at the Active Element store or from your local hardware store. Step 1. Pour 1 bottle of concentrate into a 5-gallon pail. Then, screw on the lid a quarter turn. Alternatively, if you have a bang-on lid, pour using a funnel through the spout. Step 2. Using the spout on the lid, fill the pail with water until it reaches the top line, being careful not to overfill. There is no additional mixing needed at this stage, as the product mixes itself. Step 3. Apply your label to the pail, and the solution is now ready for use.